Hi guys, do you like this bell? Do you want to make it with this hook and this yarn? So this is my video. In this video I learned to you how to crochet this beautiful bell. This is so nice. For this tutorial I use this kind of yarn. This is better, and I use the hook. The size of the hook is 3mm and pearl. So let's go to see how to crochet this beautiful bell. Okay, for the first round I make magic ring. So I put the yarn between my finger like this, and then put the hook under this part and above of this part and do like this. Now I have this magic ring. Okay, when we make this magic ring we need 5 chains. This is the first chains, so we need 4 more. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then make 1 double crochet into this magic ring. So make 1 double crochet here, then make 2 chains, 1 and 2 chains, then again make 1 double crochet into this ring, put the hook here, yarn over and make 1 double crochet. Then again make 2 chains, 1 and 2, and again put the hook into this magic ring and make another double crochet. So we need 4 more of this double crochet, and in the end we have 8 of this part. I will back soon. Okay, now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 double crochet with 2 chains between this double crochet, and here in the first we have 5 chains. Now we have 2 chains again here, and then I put the hook in the third chain exactly here. This is 1, 2 and 3. Put the hook here and make 1 slip stitch. Now we have this shape, you can see. Now I go to this hole between these 2 double crochet, so put the hook here, yarn over and make 1 slip stitch, and then here we need 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3 chains, and then put the hook into this part in this hole and yarn over and make 1 double crochet here. Okay, then we need 2 chains, 1 and 2, and go to the next space, next hole exactly here, put the hook here and make 2 double crochet here. So this is 1 double crochet, and again here this is 2 double crochet into this part, again 2 chains, and go to the next space exactly here and make 2 double crochet. This is 1 and this is 2, again 2 chains. So you must continue as this until you arrive again here. Okay, now I complete this round and I have 2 chains in the end, so I put the hook in the third chain exactly here and make 1 slip stitch. Now I complete round 2. Okay, now we must go to this hole, so I put the hook in the next stitch and make one slip stitch, and again put the hook into this hole and make another slip stitch. Now in this hole we need 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, then 1 double crochet, this is 1 double crochet, and then we need 2 chains, and again 2 double crochet here, not here, exactly here, 1 and 2. Okay, again into next hole put the hook here and make 2 double crochet, so this is 1 and this is 2, and make 2 chains, and again here another double crochet. So in each hole we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 hole. In each hole we need 2 double crochet, 2 chains and 2 double crochet. Then again we go to the next hole, so continue as this until you finish this round. Okay, again I complete this round, and for the end I put the hook in the 3rd chain exactly here and make 1 slip stitch. Now I want to go here into this hole, so I put the slip stitch, so I put the hook in the 1st stitch and yarn over and make 1 slip stitch, and again go to the next hole and yarn over and make another slip stitch. Okay, again in this hole we need 3 chains, 1 double crochet, 2 chains, and again 2 double crochet here, so this is 1 and again here this is 2. Okay, like before. Again go to the next hole, not this part, exactly here, skip this hole and go to this hole, make 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, and again here 2 double crochet, then make 2 chains, and again go to in this hole, the same hole, and make 2 double crochet again. So keep continuous this until you finish this round. Okay, again I finished this round and I have this kind of shape here, so I put the hook in the 3rd chains and make 1 slip stitch here. Okay, we need 2 of this round here. Now I complete 2 of this round, but we need 2 more because for this bell we need 4 of this part. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4, so you must make 2 more of this round. This shape is same, but we need continuous and complete 2 rounds more. So like before, make 3 chains, make 1 double crochet, make 2 chains, again 2 double crochet, and again go to the next hole and repeat 2 double crochet, 2 chains, and again 2 double crochet. So complete this part this round and again repeat until you complete this round. Okay, now I complete this round. Totally I have 6 rounds. Okay, this is the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 4 of them have the same shape. Okay, now again I make 2 slip stitch until I arrive into this hole. Again another slip stitch, and then here we need 3 chains, and then we need 7 double crochet into this hole. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, now go to the next hole, not here, exactly here, in this 7 shape, in this V shape. Okay, put the hook here and make 8 double crochet here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So in each space exactly here in this V shape we need 8 double crochet for this part. Okay, so complete this round. Okay, now I complete this round. Then I make 1 chain and put the hook in the next stitch and make 1 single crochet. Again go to the next stitch and make another single crochet. Again repeat another single crochet. So in each stitch we need just 1 single crochet, and we continue as this until we complete this round and we arrive here. Okay, now I complete this round, and now I put the hook here in the first chain and make 1 slip stitch, and then cut the yarn and use the needle to hide this extra yarn. Okay, now for this part we need 30 chains, so make chains. We need 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until we have 30 chains, and then go to this 18 chains exactly here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 until you arrive into 18 chains, and put the hook here and make 1 slip stitch, and then make 1 chain and cut the yarn. Then put it here like this, and use these 2 yarn together and make a knot here, and then cut the extra yarn. Now it's fixed. It's fixed now. And then use the pearl and put it here. Put it here. And then now it's fixed and this is complete. So thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you.